Hi guys, today we will discuss about TDS and entries. Here TDS will deduct on service value of invoice. Okay, if you see here example professional charges and service tax. If you add these both, this 68,400 is total invoice value. But as per the government rules, we have to deduct TDS on only on service value. Okay, TDS will deduct on 60,000. TDS on professional charges are 10%. TDS value will be 6,000. On 60,000, 10% will be 6,000. We have to pay TDS of 6,000 before April 7th, 2016. For example, if we will deduct TDS on 14/3, date 14/3, and that we have to pay before 7th of April. Okay, before 7th of April. Okay, this is the TDS rate chart. These are the sections 192, 190A, TDS and interest. This is the by bank from other. 194C contracts, advertisement, TDS insurance commission. H, this is the commission and brokerage. I for rent on land and building. 194I, TDS on rent, plant and machinery, equipment, furniture and fittings. 94J, professional charges. This is the cutoff value. So if the value will exceed, if you take this professional charges 30,000, if that 30,000 will exceed for annum, then we have to deduct the TDS. Okay, this is the individual, these are companies, these are the rates for companies, these are the rates for individuals. Okay, so after 30,000, so now our invoice value is 68,400. so the value is exceeded more than the cutoff value, so then we have to deduct here 10% of TDS. Okay, on professional charges. Next, returns in prescribed forms. So generally so every quarter we have to file the eTDS return. We'll use forms for salaries. 24Q will use, and 26Q for other than salaries, like this one 94H, 94I, 94J. For that we'll use 26Q. Due dates, so from the first quarter, April 1st to 30th June. So the due date is 15th July of the financial year. Like that every quarter. The quarter ended 30th September, so we have to file eTDS 15th October, 31st December and 15th January. Here 31st March, 15th May, financial year immediately following the financial year in which deduction is made. Okay, due date for payment of TDS is 31st. Due date of payment of March month TDS is 31st. Except March month, we have to pay TDS before next month 7th. But for March month we have to pay TDS 31st March 2000, 31st March financial year. Okay, and interest 1.5% for month. If you delay, for example, this 66,000, if we will not pay before 7th of April, so for example, if we pay 10th April, then we have to add 1.5% interest, and we have to pay the TDS. So this one, and if we fail to file the eTDS return in time, the fine will be 200 rupees. For example, first quarter we didn't file 15th, before 15th, we filed July 20th, 5 days multiply 200, that 1000 rupees we have to pay government. So we have to file in time. Note, the procedure will be same. Service tax procedure entries will be same. Maybe service tax percentage will change based on the government budget. Okay, this is the TDS rate chart. Okay, generally we'll use these sections to deduct the TDS. We'll see how to post the entries into Tally. Go to accounting voucher, F7 general. Okay, now we are posting invoices. Professional charges. How much? 60,000. Okay, and service tax. So I am creating service tax at 14%, duties and taxes. Okay, 14% is normal rounding. Value will be how much? As per our example, 8,400, and vendor Y Limited 62,000. Okay, here TDS and professional charges 6,000, and this is being amount payable. Okay, this we have to pay after deduction. 62,400 we have to pay Y Limited. So this TDS we have to pay government. Okay, we'll check the balance. Here go to balance sheet. Here detailed. See here duties and taxes. This is the TDS 6,000. This we have to pay government. This one we have to pay government. Okay, and sundry creditors here Y Limited. Okay, this we have to pay government 62,400. Okay, now we'll pay accounting voucher F5. Here from HDFC Bank, TDS on professional charges against reference. There is no surcharge for this. So here we can see the balance is 0. Okay, being TDS paid, being TDS and professional charges paid. If you want, you can note down here Y Limited vendor if you want to mention. Okay, this. Now come back again, go to balance sheet. Here detailed. Here check here duties and taxes. Here balance is nullified, so we paid. Okay, based on the challan, if you pay TDS through online, we'll get challan. In that we'll get challan number, BSR code, and chalana data and amount and all. So based on that we have to file eTDS quarterly. Okay, this is the entry. First we have posted this entry. So this we are paying for professional charges. This is the service tax value. TDS deducted 6,000 on 60,000, 10%. The remaining value is 62,400. This we have to pay while limited. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.